This video is meant for those who are having issues migrating and those who are also expecting the second migration, and also meant for those who even got migrated but then their Pi coins got reversed back to their Pi app. So if you are one of these people, you should watch this video carefully. It came to my notice that some of you noticed that your Pi network coins were migrated successfully to your wallet and then it got reversed back to the Pi app. So Pi released this blog on the 13th of March 2015. So it says, Pi Network released a two-factor authentication 2FA feature that requires some pioneers to complete 2FA before their Pi is successfully migrated to the mainnet blockchain. Now, this feature secures and confirms pioneers' Pi wallet in part through the verification of a trusted email address, supporting the security of pioneers' accounts and their Pi. Now, even if I don't entirely agree with this method that Pi Network is using right now, I would still explain it to you guys regardless. So what they did is they devised a new way to secure people's Pi accounts, to secure their Pi coins as well, by enabling the 2FA system. But then again, those of us that had our migration last year, we've already probably transferred our Pi Network coins to other wallets, to other exchanges. So I don't think it is fair for the people that recently migrated. But then again, they are trying to make sure everybody gets a secure account. They had to reverse the already migrated Pi coins that was already in the wallets of all those pioneers that got migrated recently, because they want them to do the needful by doing the 2FA, of which I really do not think they should. They should have just left the migrated and then focus on those that are yet to be migrated. But then they had to reverse the coins of those that were migrated recently just because they want them to do the 2FA. What did they say for that? They said some pioneers may already have a trusted email address that they can use to start the 2FA to confirm their migration wallet, and others may need to set up a trusted email before completing the 2FA to confirm their wallet. Now, setting up the trusted email is done by completing a liveness check that ensures that the trusted email address is provided by the owner of the account. They will receive a prompt in the mining app to do so. Only pioneers who have completed KYC, including tentative KYC, are eligible to add a trusted email currently. Now, the trusted email is also used for other important account verifications such as account recovery. Therefore, it is essential to add an email that you own and trust. Providing a random email address that you don't have access to will result in failures to complete verification. You will then be unable to confirm your wallet to migrate your Pi or recover your accounts in the future. So what I'm trying to say is that only those that have completed their KYC will be able to carry out this 2FA. This 2FA is just a way to secure your accounts and your Pi coins. But then again, I've been hearing that there is this rumor flying around that the supply of Pi coins were reduced because they were burnt. That's a rumor. That's not true. What happened is that a lot of people's Pi coin that were migrated recently got reversed back to the Pi app. So that was why you saw that drop in supply. The supply is the amount of Pi coins that will be in circulation will still be the same amount. It's just a matter of time. But right after the people that are yet to get migrated do the needful, they're going to get their Pi coins back. Now, they went further to say once a trusted email is added, these pioneers will gradually receive prompts after a mining session and email notification in some cases. To complete 2FA to verify the migration wallet, alternatively, pioneers can confirm 2FA wallet confirmation through mainnet checklist. Now, in the 2FA interface, pioneers must confirm access to the migration wallet or change it by creating a new one. And afterward, we'll receive another email to verify this confirmation. Now, you can see the screenshot here. They are showing you how it will look like. So you can confirm right here, right? You can confirm this wallet. Pioneers will only receive email from no reply. Please take note. I'm going to zoom in right now. Take note of this email. No reply at pi.email. This is the email that will send you the message. Please do not trust any other email because people are out to get your Pi coins. So be very careful. No reply at pi.email would be the email to send you the message, right? Now there's another screenshot again showing you how it will appear in your email, right? This is how it's going to appear in your email. So be very, very careful. Do not click unnecessary links. Do not click suspicious links, please. Now, moving forward, they said return Pi balance during the migration pending period. Now, for the security of their accounts and Pi, certain pioneers who migrated their Pi to mainnet within the last few weeks but are still within the 14-day pending period will need to complete the above 2FA requirements, otherwise their Pi will be securely returned to their mining app, which I don't think is fair, by the way. I don't think it's fair, because since they already migrated, that's it. Why send their Pi coins back? Because they are still in the 14-day period. They don't have full access to their Pi yet. Now, the design of the 14-day pending period after migration was specifically for purposes including this one. Once these pioneers complete 2FA, their migration of the original balance is slightly more. The migration of the original balance or slightly more will be enqueued again to the mainnet blockchain. Now, 2FA and the Pi return feature are meant to ensure as much as possible the security of pioneers, Pi, and accounts. Now, due to the nature of the blockchain, where transactions are immutable and the Pi wallet is non-custodial, this feature provides extra caution and makes sure that Pi is sent to the rightful wallet owners. Now, pioneers who completed 2FA before the rollback will not be subject to the Pi return. Once 2FA is completed, pioneers who have their migration paused and pioneers returned will have their migration reinitiated. Now, the 14-day pending period, where Pi is frozen and prevented from use on the mainnet blockchain, is an essential part of the migration process, in part because it allows time to ensure the security of the pioneer's Pi and accuracy of the migration before it becomes permanently irreversible on the mainnet blockchain. Now, point 2. Some pioneers who have their Pi returned may see their migrated Pi balance be returned to their unverified balance rather than transferable balance. This was because the displayed amount in the transferable balance is a pessimistic estimate for the UI, whereas the actual migrated amount during migration will go through sophisticated calculation that usually take a long time to compute. This does not reduce the amount of Pi that the pioneer will receive in their next migration. After successfully migrating, pioneers will receive the same amount of Pi as the original migration amount, or even slightly more due to increase in mining session included. I actually agree with this method because security is one very important thing when it comes to things like this. And the Pi core team is working so hard, working tirelessly to make sure that the security is high enough. So that's basically what is going on here. It's just a way to secure your Pi coins from not getting compromised, because there are so many people out there that are ready to steal your Pi coins. Now, the 2FA for wallet confirmation requirements and the returns of Pi for some account during the 14-day period can cause the circulating supply to drop. This is exactly what I said earlier in the video. So the circulating supply dropped not because they burned the Pi, but because some Pi were reversed. Now guys, for those of you that want to do the 2FA verification, please make sure you use a secure email, an uncompromised email to do this 2FA. Please, I'm begging you, so you don't regret. So guys, if you like this content that I just put out, kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more updates like the one you just saw. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.